End today's video. I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. If you are working with dates in a spreadsheet, having them displayed in the right format can make your sheet much easier to read and much more professional. Sometimes dates may appear in a style that doesn't match your preference, or they may follow a regional format that you want to adjust for better consistency. The good news is that Google Sheets makes this very simple. To begin, open your Google Sheets document and locate the cells that contain the dates you want to change. Once you've found them, highlight those cells. This is an important first step because Google Sheets will only apply the formatting change to the selected area. If you want to update an entire column or multiple date entries at once, you can select all of them before moving on. Taking a moment to confirm your selection can help you avoid changing the wrong cells. Next, go to the top menu bar and click on Format. This menu contains a variety of options that control how your data appears, including text formatting, alignment, and number styles. Since dates are treated as number-based values in Google Sheets, this is where you'll find the setting you need. After clicking Format, move your cursor over Number. When you hover over it, another menu will appear with several formatting choices. This section is especially useful because it lets you quickly change how numbers, currencies, percentages, times, and dates are displayed without altering the actual data stored in the cell. From there, click on Date. This will apply the standard default date format in Google Sheets. Depending on your region settings, that format may appear as something like month, day, year, or day. Months. So if your sheet is set to one region, you might see dates displayed one way, while a different region may use another default style. The key thing to remember is that this option applies the default date appearance associated with your spreadsheet settings. Once you click Date, the selected cells should immediately update. If your dates were entered correctly as date values, you'll see the new format appear right away. This is a quick and reliable way to make your spreadsheet cleaner and easier to understand. That's all it takes to change the date format in Google Sheets using the default date option. Thanks for watching.